Hi guys, welcome to the stream. And today, just a quick one. It's more of a shameless plug for a course that I have set up. So, what is it? Actually, before we get started, I must say I'm not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and this is not financial advice, anything that I discuss. However, moving on, I have created a course which is called Making Money in Cryptocurrency for Beginners. It's only $1 or £1, so I've made it accessible for all, and it's around 30-minute video course, but it gives you the basics of getting started in cryptocurrency. So, learning the basics: Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin? Ethereum, what is Ethereum? Altcoins, having a look at what altcoins are, and trying to avoid obviously the shit ones. Cryptocurrency, so in general, what coins and tokens should you buy and how to buy them? So I look at a beginner's portfolio, what kind of percentage you should set yourself up with in terms of how much of each coin you should have starting off with, which is kind of like the most low risk and best option in my opinion. And also the biggest section, which I think is most valuable, is the resources for research. So the biggest thing within cryptocurrency is research, doing your own research and understanding what each coin does, what each token does, and how it can benefit yourself and make you cash, basically. So online resources enabling you to do the most important things in crypto, doing your own research. I also go into different exchanges, ones that I recommend that you buy your crypto on, strategies that you can use, and all for the price of $1. So if you look below here, we've got the link. It's gumroad.com / I think that's IRL / crypto for beginners. There's also going to be a link in the description, so you can just click straight on it. If I show you here, so there's 5 modules, and let's just make this slightly bigger. So there's 5 modules, and there's an intro and an outro as well. You can keep these as long as you want. They're available to stream whenever you need to. You can always come back to them, access them at all times. And it's basically 5 short videos to get you started in the world of cryptocurrency. I've had a couple of reviews already, so 2 ratings, 5 stars. Thank you for ones that have already purchased the course and signed up. 5 stars. There will be a more in-depth course that I'm going to put together, but I thought I needed just to put like a basic one together, which is quite quick, straight to the point. I know some people don't have time to go through hours and hours of stuff, so I thought it was good to put something together that you can watch in a short amount of time and get yourself started with buying cryptocurrency. We're in the midst of a bull market at the moment, so it is an ideal time to kind of buy in and get started if you don't know too much about it. It's also good to look at if you do know a bit about crypto, because there may be something that you've missed, and definitely for the price, I think it's worth having a look at and seeing if there's anything you may have missed, or things that you may pick up on that you maybe didn't consider about crypto. But anyway, that's everything from me today. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, sign up to the course, and if you do enjoy it, please leave me a 5-star review. Anyway, thank you for that, and I shall see you soon, guys.